Good morning, afternoon, whatever time I put that up today. I have another video where I explained some stuff, where I did the eyeshadow. I've been feeling a little out of it lately, ever since last Monday. Last week my brother was took a deal, so he's going to prison for 3 years. Fine, he did it. Whatever. Well, not whatever. Anyways, the breast cancer thing, having to wait 6 months to get any answers, has been messing with my head. It seems like anything that can go wrong lately has. So I've been kind of blah. I think I'm almost depressed, I guess it would be the word. Like, I think I need to call my doctor maybe. I don't know what's going on. But between the heat, headache, allergies, I haven't been myself. So we're just gonna... I just recorded 2 other videos and we're going to do August Ipsy. BoxyCharm, whatever. It says Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, Icon Box, Refreshments. Alright. So, first thing in here I see, I did pick most of these items, I believe. This is the Dallas and James Skincare Co. Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream with Cloudberry. I don't know why I picked skincare, because I have a huge box over there of skincare. This says lightweight facial moisturizer with hydrating watermelon, antioxidant superfruit cloudberry, pore perfecting niacinamide for velvety smooth glowy skin. It's good for all skin types. It says after applying your serum, squeeze a little more than a pea-sized amount onto the palms. This reminds me of, let me see if I'm the only one that sees this. Like the minute I just now took it out, it reminds me of, I don't even see it in here. What is my, there it is. Reminds me of my Anastasia foundation. Alright. I don't know how much it is because they don't give you anything to tell you how much anything is. Oh, wait. Maybe they do. Oh, nope. Those aren't anything that's in my box. Oh, one of them is, I think. Alright. They only show one. That is... Alright, we're going to use this one. Okay, it doesn't say how much this is. But it does say this one is $37. Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams. Looks like that inside. And there's another video coming up. I'm not going to touch the inside of this, because I have 3 lipsticks from Urban Decay that I'm doing a giveaway for. And I'm going to add this to that. So, here they are. These are the lipsticks. Okay. So we're already adding that one too. It's very pretty palette, but I have come to the conclusion that I have a lot of colors in my palettes, and unless it's something that I really can't live without, I'm probably not going to keep it for now on. I'm probably just going to put it in a giveaway. Alright, and then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush in Latte, which sounds like it would be dark, but it's really not. See? Almost matches my lipstick. I can't wait to use this. It's very pretty. We're going to stick that right here. Next thing we have is No Problem by Touch and Soul. I love some of their primers. I have one right here. I love this one too. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to go ahead and stick it right here. And then we have Selfless by Hiram. From the Inky list. Niacinamide and Maracuja Daily Barrier Support Moisturizer. Another moisturizer. I think this was something I couldn't pick that they picked for me. It's for day and night, I'm guessing, with the little symbols. So, that was my box. They cost about $32 a month, I believe. That's with tax. And, I do like that. So, I got my 5 items. I'm loving it. I'm just glad I did these videos today because I was feeling very out of sorts lately. And look at my gray hairs. They've gotten more. I could definitely name some after my brother now. And after cancer. So, anyways, we are going to call it a day on this. And I'll try to get one of these videos up today. Probably this one. And that would mean Monday would be lip. You know what? I might go ahead and put the Urban Decay one up instead. And put this one up Monday. Who knows? Love y'all. Have a great day. Bye.